So we have our Oreo milkshake. I really like this one. So what you want to do is blend some ice cream and a bit of Oreo cookies to create your base. You can use any ice cream you like. If you're doing this like at an event, you have to do made to order. You can't do it in advance. So if someone makes an order, you blend it up and you arrange it. This is just basically about presentation. You can use condensed milk or evaporated or full cream. I'm using evaporated peak milk here to create my base with the ice cream and the Oreo. This thing is so sweet, and this is the consistency you want. You want it a bit chunky, you don't want it totally smooth. And then you now put it together. If I'm doing this just for the house or just for myself, I just arrange it in that blender cup. But for presentation's sake, this is what you want to do. You want to turn your ice cream blend mix into a beautiful glass cup, preferably for presentation. Then you put some extra scoops of ice cream. So that means if you're doing this just for like a few people, you can't blend all the ice cream more. It has to remain some for presentation. So it can be the same flavor, it can be the same color, it can be different. I just wanted a different color. So I used I think this was vanilla and strawberry. So you now put your scoops of ice cream on top, decorate it with a few bits of Oreos. You can crack this up, you can put it whole, you can add syrup, you can put honey, you can just make it look nice. You can even add wafers, you can add any type of decor, edible decor you want on it. You can even put glitter. I mean, it's up to you. But make sure that the straw you're putting is a big straw. You can't put a normal small straw. So you have to get those fat straws because of your chunky ice cream. Remember that as well. And also because of the ice cream you've developed on top. You like.